In this video, you will learn how to make money using Amazon Mechanical Turk, an online platform that connects you with tasks that can be completed for payment. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash on the side or just want to fill your spare time with something productive, this is a fantastic way to do it. Many people struggle to find flexible and easy ways to earn extra income from home. Many people struggle to find flexible and easy ways to earn extra income from home. The traditional job market can be quite rigid, and side hustles often require a significant commitment or skill set. That is where Mechanical Turk comes in, and it offers a unique opportunity to earn money by completing simple tasks like surveys, data entry, and content moderation. But here is the catch: getting started can feel a bit overwhelming with so many options and varying pay rates. It's easy to get lost or discouraged. But don't worry though, because I'll break it down for you step by step so you can hit the ground running. So how do you get started? First, you need to create an account on the Mechanical Turk website, and it is as easy as signing up with your Amazon account. And if you already have one like Amazon account, you are halfway there. Once you are in, you will see a dashboard filled with hits, and which stands for human intelligence tasks. And these are the tasks you can complete for cash. You can proceed with MTurk.com, and this is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So you can sign in as a worker, and you can see the Amazon account. And if you don't have one, you will create your Amazon account from here, your name, email, password, and enter password. And Amazon Mechanical Turk also, they will ask you during the registration process one form, so that is also very easy. You will fill. So you will sign in with your Amazon Mechanical Turk account, and you can see a dashboard like I told you, filled with these hits. You can see hit groups like 783 groups I have, and these are human intelligence tasks. And these tasks actually you complete for cash. Now, let's talk about the different types of tasks available. You might find surveys, like you can see this is brief survey, which are very most popular, or data categorization tasks where you sort or label data, or you will also find transcription jobs. If you have if you are a fast typist, the key to maximize your earnings is to find high paying tasks. Like you can see here, this task will give you $7.50 reward, and there are 2,325 hits in this group. Okay, so this is the most important thing. You will have to find the tasks that are high paying. Look for tasks that offer a good reward, good reward to time ratio. Some tasks are quick, but they pay very little, while others might take longer but offer much more. Okay, so you can find here, you can go to filter, and if you are living in the European countries, especially in the United States, UK, Canada, and Netherlands, or these countries, you will find a lot of high paying tasks. Right now I'm living in Pakistan, so you can see this task is qualification required, location is one of ASCAPRUM or US. So I'm living in PK, MIS, PK, so this is requirement actually not met. So the main purpose of creating this video is, like you can make money online if you are living in US, Canada, UK. So you will find a lot of high paying tasks. Even if I go to filter and if I click here, I am qualified to work on, and click on apply, so I will also find some good offers, as like you can see this task, like this is shopping receipts task. So I will have to type like receipt image. So this is like as I told you, data entry task, and I will get 10 cents, like here 12 cents. So this is a pretty income, like if I see in my country. So if I click preview, and you can see extract data from shopping receipt, and you can see here like the receipt is here. We can, if we don't like the task, we can also skip the task. So the next task will appear now. See, this I will have to fill, and once I accept it, like I will create, like click on good quality image, and then store name or logo I will type here like this one, and the other things also I will find the phone number, address, and purchasing date, purchasing time, total paid, how much like they paid, for instance, like here 48.33, and here descriptions, code, quantity, price we can mention, whatever we can find. Like quantity is not here, so I will type only 1. So this is a very good task, so you can complete this task. Now the main thing, the key insight here is understanding the importance of efficiency and selecting the right task to boost your income on Mechanical Turk significantly. You don't just want to complete any task that comes your way, you want to be strategic about it. Spending some time analyzing which types of hits you are complete quickly and which ones offer the best pay. The strategic approach can drastically increase your earning. Trust me, this is where the magic happens actually. So this is the main thing, like potential income, and you can earn, and the best practices for success. And remember one thing, like the flexibility of working on your own terms is a huge benefit, but it does take a bit of knowledge and strategy to really make it work for you. So on the dashboard you can see like the task you completed and how much you have earned. Like you can see I have submitted 41,173 tasks approved. Approval rate is 99.04%, rejected only 399, and approved hits like $2,156. So if I work constantly, so I earn a good income here, like even if I am living outside of the US. But the people who are living in US, Canada, UK, trust me, they will find tasks that a number of tasks that you will able to make even $100 per day. Trust me, because you can see here these are very high paying tasks. The registration process is easy. They will approve your account like within 2 to 4 days, and once they approve your account, even see here like $15 multi-term demonstration on finance. So this some qualification also you will have to get. You can request qualification, and some tasks also require a small test. So and qualification, once they will assign requesters will assign the qualification to you, so you will see here. So once the qualification will assign to you, then the hit will be available to you. So I hope you have got a lot of things. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips on making money online, and share your experiences in the comments below. Okay, and I'd love to hear how you are doing with mechanical Turk, or any tips you might have for others diving into the side hustle. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel once again, I am asking you, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.